Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix this problem on Instagram, which is when you try to log in inside your account on Instagram will show up to you, sorry, there was a problem with your request. First of all, I will show you how to fix this problem. There is a few steps you need to apply in order to fix it. I searched for a solution on this and I found out. I will show you how to fix it. Click out and after that open settings and scroll down and then tap on general from here and tap on software update, and you need to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest update and iOS is up to date, and click back, and after that open App Store, and after you open the App Store you need to search for Instagram really quick from here. Click on Instagram and after that update it, and after you update Instagram what you need to do is to open Instagram, and from here if I insert my username and if I insert my password and tap on login will show up to me there is a problem with your request. And what I will do is I will tap on forgot password. I will tell you why, and after that insert your username from here and tap on next, and from here he said we will send you a link or login code to get back inside your account again, and I want them to send me through my Gmail. If you want through phone number you can send, choose as well if you would like. I will tap on send login link and email is sent, and I will open my Gmail really quick. This is my email is arrived. I will click on it and tap on reset your password, and from here what you need to do is to create a new password. I will create a new password really quick and tap on reset password, and as you see I get back inside my account again and my account is working very well. And basically that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.